1. What is money bill? Identify the house of the parliament where money bill is introduced. Answer. Any bill relating to the collection of revenue or expenditure from the consolidated fund can be termed as money bill. Lok Sabha. 2. Complete the table showing the changes in tools during Stone Age. Paleolithic Age, rough stones. Mesolithic Age. Answer. A. Small stone tools with sharp points. Neolithic Age. B. Answer. Polished stone tools. 3. How are metamorphic rocks formed? Answer. When rocks undergo physical and chemical changes due to high temperature, the pressure metamorphic rocks are formed. Example, marble, slate. 4. Choose the correct statement related to Lok Sabha from among the following. Answer. B. Presided over the speaker. C. Known as House of Representatives. 5. Write the features of the art of writing existed in ancient China. Answer. The script was pictographic, not alphabetic. Later it developed into an ideographic script. 6. Explain the various stages of a bill to become a law. Answer. In both the houses, the bill passes through different stages. First reading, the bill is introduced. Second reading, each and every article included in the bill is either passed, changed, or rejected after discussion. Third reading, the bill as a whole is passed or rejected. After the bill is passed by both the houses, it is sent to the President for approval. On getting the approval of the President, the bill becomes a law. 7. List out the different measures for soil conservation. Answer. Check deforestation, crop rotation, terrace farming along hill slopes, construction of check dams. 8. What are the achievements made by the Egyptians in the field of science and mathematics? Answer. Science. They formulated a solar calendar. As per this calendar, a year has 365 days. A year was divided into 12 months of 30 days each. The remaining 5 days were set aside for celebrations. Mathematics. They could calculate the area of triangles and rectangles. To determine time, they made a sundial, a clock that tells time by the shadow cast by the sun, and water clock that works on water current. 9. Complete the flowchart regarding the interior of the earth. Answer. 10. Name the Chalcolithic site in Turkey where the ancient form of urban settlements existed. Mention the features of the site. Answer. Catalhoic. Ancient forms of urban settlement existed in this site. The major remnants discovered here are the ruins of dwellings. The huts were built using mud bricks. The residues of wheat and barley have been discovered here. Pictures were drawn on the walls of huts. 11. What are the different types of cases considered by the Supreme Court? Answer. Cases relating to violation of fundamental right, cases that arise between state government and central governments, disputes between state government, cases that require interpretation of constitutional provisions, appeal cases from high courts. 12. Arrange the items in column B appropriate to column A. Answer. A. B. Indus, Harappan civilization. Hamho, Chinese civilization. Euphrates, Mesopotamian civilization. Nile, Egyptian civilization. 13. Paleolithic man achieved significant progress in technology. Substantiate the statement. Answer. Stone statues were made. Pictures were drawn on the bones and horns of the animals and on caves and rocks. Human figures were molded from clay. Vessels were woven out of bark fiber ornaments of ivory bone. Stones and shells were made. Flute-like wind instruments were made out of bones. 14. Explain the contribution of the Mesopotamian civilization on the basis of following hints. Hints: art of writing, progress in science. Answer: art of writing. The Mesopotamian system of writing is called cuneiform. The script was wedge-shaped. They were written on the smooth surface of wet clay tablets. A sharp stylus was used for writing. Progress in science. Calendar based on the movements of the moon. They divided a year into 12 months, a month into 4 weeks, and a day into 24 hours. They knew division, multiplication, and square root. 15. Give an account of the different types of weathering. Answer: weathering. Physical or mechanical weathering. The expansion and contraction of minerals due to the variation in temperature result weathering. Disintegration also occurs due to the freezing of water in the fissures of rocks. Chemical weathering. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, etc. react with the mineral and result in the chemical decomposition of rocks. Biological weathering. The plant roots penetrating into the fissures in rocks, burrowing of animals, and the decomposition of plants and animals remains lead to weathering. Human activities such as mining and quarrying also led to weathering. 16. Describe the features of the Neolithic age. Answer: sharpened and polished stones were used. Beginning of cultivation. They changed from food gathering to food production. They began a settled life for the purpose of cultivation. Domestication of animals. Cultivation of wheat, barley, tubers, paddy, plantain, etc.